Welcome back to our discussion of RTP November 2022 CA Intermediate Cost and Management Accounting. Now in this lecture, my dear students, let us discuss question number 8, contract costing. So here a contractor prepares accounts as on 31st March every year. He commenced the contract on 1st July. So the date of commencement of the contract is very important for calculation of depreciation. Okay, so you have to be very clear. Contract price, the commencement of the contract, these are all two things very important. Then other important terminologies which we had already discussed in our class to be remembered is, now what is the value of work certified? Now, what is the cost of work uncertified or value of uncertified work uncertified? Escalation clause if it is there, or cost plus contract if anything is mentioned in the question. And the working out of the depreciation as well as the materials sold or materials returned, how we need to take into account. And one of the important element of working is the calculation of cost of work uncertified, which is very important. Now, let us go through this question and understand further. The following information relates to the contract as on 31st March. Material issued, wages, salary to foreman. These are all routine details of a contract. A machine costing 13 lakh has been in site for 4.8 months. And its working life is estimated at 7 years and final scrap value at 75,000. So the depreciation calculation. So it is only for 4.8 months. 4.8 months. A supervisor who is paid 40,000 per month has devoted one half of his time to this contract. So another important adjustment, one half of the time. Sometimes he may be for 1/5, sometime it may be for 2/3. Okay, so depends upon the question. You have to calculate very carefully what is the per month salary and what is the time devoted by the supervisor. And all other expenses and administration charges amounted to 6,82,500. Materials in hand 1,77,000. Contract price is 1 crore. Now here the next details. 2/3 of the contract was completed. Now, completed as per whom? As per the contractor. Now, contractee will pay only according to architect certificate, is it not? So, architect have given the certification for 50% of the contract price. So, 2/3 means 67.67%, is it not? And 50% you know. So the difference actually is not certified. Now for contract account, we have to calculate the cost of work uncertified. This percentage will help us to do that. Now the contractor has paid the cash amount, which is 37,50,000. This is not relevant. Cash paid details is not relevant for our contract account preparation. Yes. If we are preparing contractee account, yes, it is relevant. This one is not relevant. Now prepare a contract account, show notional profit. Clear, my dear students? Great. Now let us go through this. We have learned the questions related to escalation clause, which is there in the study material, and so many different ways, and multiple contracts and multiple year of contract. The contract will go in 2 to 3, 4, 5 years, like that. So multiple years. So these questions we have already worked out. So please go through those questions and let us discuss this answer. Now here straightforward workouts. Now first of all the depreciation, where so 13 lakh minus 75,000, that is original value minus scrap value divided by 7 years. This is the total number of years, and for this particular contract it has stayed for 4.8 months. So 4.8 divided by 12, the value is 70,000. The value is 70,000. So hence the value of machine after a period of 4.8 months is 12,30,000. So I can record in the contract account, say the plant and machinery at original value and the balancing value, or I can straight away mention to depreciation plant and machinery The depreciation amount 70,000. So both the way you can prepare. Normally this is the way it is being prepared. Normal way of preparation. Clear? The expenses which are directly debited as per the question, 12 lakh 55, 28 lakh 28,000, 4 lakh 6,500. Why 4 lakh 6,500? It is per month. It is per month salary and his time is one half. So that details you should remember. Now entire cost is debited and finally the works cost figure, the balance in material hand, it will be credited, and finally the works cost, that is, this is the total cost of the contract. Then we will adjust with the work in progress. The work in progress is divided into two elements, which is work certified and cost of work uncertified. So 52 lakh 45,000 is the works cost. Cost of work certified directly given because 50% of the contract has been certified by the architect. So 50 lakhs, 1 crore is the contract price, 50 lakhs, straightforward directly. So cost of work uncertified we have to calculate like this. First of all, total cost of the contract. This is 2/3 of the price. The cost which we have arrived 52 lakh 45,000 is 2/3. Now if you reverse it working, this is the total cost of the contract. In that 50% is what the architect has certified. So remaining will be work uncertified. Remaining will be 1/3 of the contract is not certified. That is what 13 lakh 11,250. 13 lakh 11,250. Another method of calculation, you can do it like this. This is the cost of the contract. No, say 78 lakh 67,500 multiplied by 16.6666%. If you do this, the same value will come. In this way also you can do it. That is why earlier I have written 66.67 minus 50%. 16.67%. Now if you take exactly 16.67, there will be some odd value coming. So you need to really round off to nearby figure. So this 5 digits or 6 digits in decimal, it will give you nearly round off figure. So that is how 13 lakh 11,250. Hope I am clear. The entire notional profit is mentioned here. So these are all the methods which we follow while preparing contract account. Am I clear, my dear students? Great. Have a nice day.